Understanding easements. Your rights and responsibilities. Welcome back to the Legal Edge channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: easements. If you own a property or plan to buy one, understanding easements is crucial. In this video, we'll dive into the Easement Act 1886 in India, covering key provisions from Article 19 to 36. So, let's get started. What are easements? Easements are rights enjoyed by property owners over another immovable property for their own benefit. These rights can include things like access to a road, water supply, or drainage. They can be continuous or discontinuous, apparent or non-apparent. But how are easements established? Establishing easements. There are various ways easements can be established. One common type is easement of necessity. This arises when there is no other way to access a property except by crossing another person's land. For example, if your property is landlocked and the only route to reach it is through a neighboring property, you may have an easement of necessity. Transferability and maintenance. Easements can be transferred from one property owner to another, except in cases where they are of a personal nature. The dominant owner, who benefits from the easement, has the responsibility to maintain it. If the servient owner, the one whose property is burdened by the easement, fails to carry out necessary repairs, the dominant owner may do so after giving proper notice. Rights and compensation. The dominant owner has the right to do what is necessary for the proper enjoyment of the easement, such as making repairs or alterations. However, if the servient owner's property is affected by the exercise of the easement, they are entitled to compensation. On the other hand, if the servient owner's actions increase the dominant owner's enjoyment of the easement, the servient owner may also be entitled to compensation. Termination and prescription. Easements can be terminated through abandonment, expiration of a specified period, merger of properties, or by mutual release. Additionally, easements can be acquired by prescription if they have been openly and continuously used for a specified period. However, the burden of proving the acquisition lies with the person claiming it. Conclusion. Understanding easements is crucial when it comes to property rights and responsibilities. Whether you are the dominant owner enjoying an easement or the servient owner burdened by it, knowing your rights and obligations is essential. Make sure to consult the Easement Act of your country or seek legal advice for specific details. That wraps up today's video on easements. We hope this information has been helpful in shedding light on this important aspect of property ownership. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Host, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.